Hi again, fans, and how are you? Thank you for tuning in once more to Island Mama, where we love food and travel. Today, we are in the kitchen once more. We're going to do a Korean style shrimp, fried shrimp now, tossed in our version of a Korean sauce. Let's go! So to 3 pounds of shrimp, we want to put 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, black pepper of your choice. You can also add white pepper. We will put 1 tablespoon, and we're going to put some paprika, 1 tablespoon paprika, and our salt for flavor. So for 3 pounds of shrimp, I'll put 1 tablespoon of salt. We'll continue tasting it for flavor. I do love hot sauce, so I am going to add a dash of that. I think this is a West Indian tradition. And we want to generously stir it up to get all the seasonings mixed in every crease and crevice of our shrimp. It's powder now, so I think it will yield nicely. So what are we doing today is a dry batter. In our dry batter, I'm also going to season it to keep the flavors in. So a little bit of paprika. It's just a, bare enough flour in order for our shrimp to roll in it. So it's the same thing. Garlic powder, salt, paprika, black pepper, onion powder. Here we go. Making sure that all our spices are evenly distributed. So we have a beautiful hack today. We put our shrimp in our dry rub and we are going to cover it. You can also do this in a sealer bag. Long time we used to call it shake and bake. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're shaking so that it's going to be coated all over. And here we are, beautifully coated and ready to put in the fryer. Here we go. And what is nice is to take your spoon and let's spoon the hot oil on top of our shrimp as well while the underneath is being cooked. This helps with the cooking process evenly. And how do we know when our shrimp is done? We have a C shape. So this is our Korean paste. I love this brand. If you see it anywhere, it's great. But generally, all brands in it will be the same. So we have here 1 tablespoon of the paste. And we put in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar to compromise if you do not have rice vinegar. We are also going to add 1 tablespoon of our chili flakes. This is going to give it a beautiful color lovely spicy flavor. That's what we're looking for. To this, we're just going to add a little bit of water to make that paste, and then we're going to saute. Here we go with our water. Then we are going to put some sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of our chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of our grated ginger, and drizzle in with some sesame seed. So this is our mixture of green onions, bandania, because it's our twist on it from the West Indies, onion and pimento peppers. We are going to put it in once our oil is hot. Beautiful sizzle that we are hearing there. Just a matter of toasting it a little bit. And we will know when this seasoning is good because it is going to reduce in size. And we want to remember, even though this is just seasoning that we are having our pot here sauteing, we want to put a pinch of salt because layering is what is very important here. Let's go. And as it has reduced in size, now we are ready to put in our sauce. And let it infuse and do its magic. The flavor, the smell, it is absolutely great. No need to go buy Korean shrimp out there. Make it in like 3 simple steps. And we are ready. Here we go. And just toss it in. Let's try and get an even coat. And enjoy.
Can't wait for the kids to try this. Don't say anything, shh, but I am munching on it as I speak. Yummy! And with the sprinkle of some fresh sesame seeds, give us that oomph in a crunch. Let's go! Meet me in a couple days outdoors. Bye!